Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of flora and fortune. Join us as we unveil the secrets of 7 indoor plants that bring wealth and good luck. These green companions not only enhance our surroundings but are also believed to usher in prosperity and positive energy. Let's dive in. The jade plant, a captivating succulent with thick, coin-like leaves, is more than just a beautiful addition to your home. In various cultures, it's believed to usher in wealth and good luck. Its resilience mirrors financial growth, and its round leaves resemble coins, symbolizing fortune. Embracing positive energy, the jade plant fosters an atmosphere conducive to success. Place this charming green companion in your space, and watch prosperity flourish. The rosemary, more than just a culinary delight, is steeped in symbolism. Ancient cultures believed it could bring wealth and good luck. Its aromatic essence is thought to clear the mind, paving the way for success. The lavender, renowned for its soothing scent, has hidden talents beyond relaxation. In folklore, it's linked to wealth and good luck, its calming aroma clearing the path to prosperity. The elegant peace lily, with its pure white blooms, signifies more than just beauty. In many cultures, it's believed to usher in wealth and good luck, bringing harmony and positivity to spaces. The lucky bamboo, an icon in Feng Shui, is more than just a pretty plant. It's revered for bringing wealth and good luck. Its easy care and intricate shapes symbolize prosperity. The money plant, with its braided trunk and lush leaves, is more than just a houseplant. It's a symbol of wealth and prosperity. According to Feng Shui, it attracts good fortune and positive energy. The snake plant, with its striking sword-like leaves, does more than just purify the air. In Feng Shui, it's a symbol of wealth and good luck, believed to invite prosperity into your space. That concludes our journey through the 7 indoor plants that bring wealth and good luck. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more plant magic. Share your experiences in the comments below. Happy planting!